Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Aldo, and today's video is all about the Mercedes AMG GTC that we've secured with a Thatcham approved tracking system. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel, because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So the vehicle has now been secured with the Thatcham S5 VTS tracking system from Vodafone. It's a really impressive tracking system that secures the vehicle. So we're going to be talking you around the whole thing today, so stay tuned right to the very end. One of the key features and benefits of the tracking system is actually these tags here. They're what's called an ADR tag. You get two in the kit, and what they are is a driver recognition tag. So if the vehicle is started or moved without one of these tags present, you actually get a notification directly onto your mobile device, as well as the fact if you reported it stolen at that given point, Vodafone Automotive will liaise directly with the police to get the vehicle recovered in record times. Another really simple technique that you guys at home can actually do to secure your vehicle is purchase one of these boxes. Something called Theftblock. It's an RFID box, comes in a variety of different colors, a really sleek, nice looking design. And I've actually got one of these myself. In terms of why I have this is because of keyless entry technology and keyless theft. What I do as soon as I get home, I put my key directly in the box, close the box, and I have that extra peace of mind that nobody can start the vehicle via keyless entry technology. I can't open the door now, I can't start the vehicle, and it's a really nice way of securing it. Plus, we've also got our discount code, which is all in the description below. If you go online and hit CBS10 into the discount code and use that on the Theftblock website, you can purchase this right now, guys. It's well worth having. So another really cool feature about the Thatcham S5 VTS tracking system from Vodafone is the application live directly on my mobile device. I can actually see all the stuff about my Ford Mustang demo vehicle live directly here, especially on like trip report. I can see my journey that I made over the weekend, and you can see everything as a full breakdown of exactly where I was, as well as speeds across the whole network there. In terms of what I've also got on here is actually a geofence set around our office, and also all the other modes like speeding alerts, as well as actual special modes here where I've got transport, as well as garage mode in case my vehicle is going off to a garage, or alternatively on a transporter. So you've got loads of features live directly on the app, and you also get push notifications live directly whenever your vehicle is leaving a geofence, entering a geofence. You've got loads of stuff you can set up live directly on here. You can actually download this on the Google Play Store as well as the App Store live directly right now, and you can actually do a demo version and see exactly what sort of features and benefits you'd be getting from this tracker. But if you want to know a little bit more, get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. We're all wrapped up here on today's video as well as on today's install, so thank you very much at home for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in having one of these and in securing your vehicle, we do a whole host of different upgrades and we can go through everything in a load of detail. Just get in touch with us using any of our social media platforms. Everything you should need, guys, is in the description below. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.